The first thing we'll make is the basket. So we need 10 pieces of dark brown pipe cleaner, 9 for the body and 1 for the handle. So total is 10. And also need a cardboard, 5-ounce paper cup, it depends on your preference, and also need a scissors. Find the line on the paper cup and measure it with the scissor to determine the midpoint. We'll use that as a guide to ensure the handle of the basket is perfectly centered. And mark the other side as well. Use that as a reference point for placing the handle. Now let's apply the glue gun on the both sides. Now we'll connect all pipe cleaners together using 9 pieces for the body and 1 for the handle. So the total will be 10 pieces of pipe cleaner. You need to fold the wire using a plier so that there are no protruding wires, make it safe to use. Once everything is wrapped, we'll start from the top and work our way down. We'll apply glue gun little by little because it's dry quickly. So just a small amount until everything is covered. You need to push the pipe cleaner upward to ensure they stick together without any gaps. Make sure the paper cup is not visible. Just be careful when using the glue gun, because the pain you feel is no joke. Just like what happened to me. Once everything is covered, trim the excess pipe cleaner. And make sure to fold the wire down to prevent any sharp edges. Ensuring it's safe to use. This is the final result of the simple basket. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. God bless!